This fairly complex figure was collected by Diamond Jeunesse about 100 years ago. So begin with the string on position 1 in both hands. The right thumb goes around the back of the left little finger string, and the left thumb goes under the far right little finger string. And extend hands, and you should have a cross string in the middle. Little fingers go below the double far thumb strings and draws them out. And you see the shape as shown. Yep. Now you're going to try and let that far little finger string come over the little fingers. Just tip them underneath it and you'll find it'll slip off quite easily. And when it's over, hook it down to the palms of the hand that hold tight. And then point your hands away from you and you'll see crossing strings. Now bring the indices under the tops of the diamonds and then over the near thumb string and turn them away from you, letting the thumbs go, and you should have 2 diamonds. Now we're going to pass the thumbs under the top parts of the diamonds, the ones nearest the hands. Just like that, that's the way. Now we're going to share the thumb loops in a minute. So thumbs pull back, and then the left thumb loop is put onto the right thumb. Left thumb is removed, and then the left thumb goes into the right thumb double loop and draws it out. So we've got a shared thumb loop. Now the thumbs go under the near index strings, draws them back through the double loop. So the kind of Navajo move, dropping the double string over, and let go the indices. And here you now have the base from which we're going to make our polar bear. Now I'm touching with the string, that's the string that we want, that one down at the bottom, one loop in. Now watch what happens here. We put our fingers together, 2 of them, middle and index, pull up the double string over the string above it, and then it's going to dive down over the top of that one. It's having difficulty getting over the top here. And then we're going to pinch the one I was pointing at on the bottom string. So it's coming down for it. Now we've got it, and we've almost got hold of it. And as soon as you got hold of that, hold tight, and then draw that string back through the kind of little knot of strings you've got around your fingers. Don't let it go, but draw it through. I'm using my other hand here to help me get through. But draw it through, and you've got a little loop sticking up there. Now you're almost there. Just hold tight to that, and make sure it doesn't come above the near thumb string. Just hold it there, below the near thumb string on the right hand. Now you're going to let go with your left little finger. It comes over the top of all the strings and just hooks into that one you pulled up and pull back. And believe it or not, you have already now made what will be the polar bear. The interesting thing is that somebody must have noticed this because it's upside down. And if you turn it the right way up, you get something that looks not bad for a string game, being a polar bear. Okay, it's hard, but if you persevere, I think you'll get it.